In this video, we're going to take a quick look at one of Monday.com's newest features, Managed Columns. This feature makes it easy to standardize drop-down values across multiple boards and keep them in sync automatically. It's actually a step up from Monday.com's old column template feature, which used to be available only on the Enterprise subscription. Column templates allows you to add a pre-built column to multiple boards, but if you updated the column on one board, the changes didn't carry over to any other boards. With Managed Columns, that limitation is gone. Any updates you make now automatically update everywhere that the column is used. Here's an example. On this board, I've added a drop-down column called Type with options A, B, C, and D. Once we have our list set, we can save it as a managed column by clicking Save as Managed Column. I'll give it a name, type, and add a description like type of products. From here, we can manage all of our drop-down labels in one place. You can rename labels, deactivate ones you no longer use, or add brand new ones. For an example, I'll add a new option E to our list. Click Add and then Save. Back on the board, you'll see that E is now available as a selection. The real power of managed columns comes when you use them across multiple boards. Let's go over to board B and add the same type managed column. You'll notice that it's already linked with the same description and the label options we set earlier. If I go into the managed column settings again, I can see exactly which boards are using this column. Now, if I make a change here, let's say I replace the placeholder labels with something more descriptive like apple, bread, cat, dog, and egg, and click Save. That change will instantly update across all linked boards. When we go back into board A, you can see that the labels have automatically updated without us having to touch anything on that board. No more repetitive edits, no more out of sync dropdowns. Everything stays consistent. Managed columns are a small but incredibly useful upgrade to Monday.com. They keep your data aligned across boards and save you from hours of manual updates, making them a must-have feature for any workspace managing shared data across fields. If you found this tip very helpful, subscribe to our link below. Thanks for watching.